Hey everyone, want your live Linux USB to save files, settings, and installed applications even after you restart your computer? That's exactly what persistence does. Ventoy supports persistent storage for many Linux distributions, allowing you to keep your changes between sessions. In this full guide, I'll show you how to add persistence to Ventoy step by step. So let's get started. First, confirm that your Linux distribution supports persistence. Not every Linux ISO works with persistent storage, so it's important to verify compatibility before continuing. Next, create a persistent storage file using Ventoy's recommended method or another compatible tool. Choose a size that gives you enough space for your documents, applications, and system changes. Now copy both your Linux ISO and the persistent storage file to your Vent USB drive. Keep the files in an organized location so they're easy to identify later. Create or edit the Vent persistence configuration so it links your Linux ISO to the persistent storage file. This tells Ventoy which persistence file should be used when booting that specific Linux distribution. Restart your computer and boot from the Vent USB drive. Select the Linux ISO, then choose the persistence option if it's available. This allows your live session to load with persistent storage enabled. Finally, create a test file or change a system setting, then restart the computer and boot the same Linux ISO again. If everything is configured correctly, your changes should still be there after rebooting, and that's how to add persistence to Vent. Once it's configured correctly, your live Linux environment can retain files, settings, and other supported changes across reboots, making it much more useful for everyday tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.